Now we're moving into a posterior view of the thigh, and we're going to focus on the adductor magnus muscle. Its origination points are off the ischial tuberosity here, as well as the inferior pubic ramus, running down to the distal part of the linea aspera, as well as the adductor tubercle. It has two actions because of its origination points. It helps the hamstrings do a bit of hip extension, as well as it's a powerful adductor because of its insertion down here on the adductor tubercle, as well as the medial part of the femur. Now it's going to be all through this area here, kind of deep to the hamstrings that are running right around here. This is all going to be adductor magnus. It's very much a transition muscle because it kind of does two main actions with respect to the thigh. For the muscle test, we'll have the patient flip over and be face up. Now if we're going to check his right leg, we're going to bring him up in just a little, internally rotate. And then you're going to stabilize across the ankle and then try and pull out. Hold there nice and strong. Again, we can do an overhand grip. This isn't as advantageous, but there are multiple ways to do this as long as you can generate good force and we can see it contract. Keep your eye on this area right here when I do this muscle test. Slowly load in and you can see those fibers contract. Good. If there's knee pathology or you just need to move up the limb a little bit, there's no problem with that. You're just going to stabilize across here and then slowly load in. And again, I'm just going to remove my stabilization hand to really point out where we're checking. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. There we go. That's a good shot of it right there. And relax down.